This week on the Austin Healey channel, I don't have a lot to show you. So I have been working all week, but I have very little footage to actually show you what I've done. Mostly because what I've been doing is boring. Let me recap the week for you and tell you what I've been doing. On Monday, my back wasn't doing good, so I stayed home. I took the opportunity to go through and start making a list of parts that I need to order. I came up with like 420 different products in various quantities of each, and it took me 8 hours on Monday, full day, going through parts catalogs, listing every single part I need to order, or every single part I suspected I needed to order. So then Tuesday rolled around, and I took that list to the shop where I compared it to what was actually on hand, and I would remove things I didn't need and add things that I had forgotten about. For example, I don't need a windshield washer bottle and the little jets and the pump because my car doesn't have those. The one in the Healey Museum did. Mine does not. Great, so I don't have to do that. Save me, a couple bucks and keep it original. So things like that. I'm still coming up with bits that I've forgotten. So the list continues to grow a bit. Wednesday, I moved the chassis into the sandblasting booth again and spent all day sandblasting. And I know how much you like sandblasting videos, but I was just really hitting all the spots that still had bits of paint on it or had flash rusted, or usually around the welds it rusts a little bit if it waits a while because it's been heated. So that was Wednesday, all day Wednesday. Thursday, big cleanup day. If you're going to paint, you have to have your shop very clean. And if you've been sandblasting before you paint, you have to really dig in and get all that dust out of the shop. So I used my new duster and really just cleaned the shop as well as I could. Used the broom on the walls to really get the dust out of off of the walls and everything. It was a full day of dusting. I also found a few little bits that I needed to fix. There was a plate missing. Here's a video on that. Just about ready to finish cleaning up and putting primer on. I noticed something. Do you see it? Aw, this thing. There's one on this side, not one here. I don't know what purpose it serves. It's like keeps out dust or something, I don't know. But looks like it should be there. So we're gonna make one. It's simple enough. Tack it on before I hit the paint. There's some joints that didn't come apart in the restoration, and there's probably rust in there. So I took some rust converter and just swiped it down every place that there was a joint that didn't come apart and that was prone to rust, especially like in the wheel wells. I did the front and the back ones. So with that, I think I'm ready for paint. All I need is paint. Hopefully that shows up. I also found a couple finish welds that needed to be done and so forth, and a couple welds that needed ground down some more as well. So I got all that done, and now I'm ready for paint. Well, the problem is my paint's on a truck somewhere. It left the far edge of Poland on Monday morning. on Wednesday. It was in Berlin. We thought it would come yesterday. And today's Friday, and the paint still hasn't come. So I'm waiting for that. I did just get a delivery, which is really cool. I had ordered inner tubes and the rim tape. So I'll have that when I'm ready to put the wheels together. So that just showed up much quicker than I expected, so that's super cool. And today's Friday. The shop's clean, so I don't want to like dirty it up by doing anything else before I paint. I'm waiting for the paint, so I can't. I'm kind of stuck. So I'm at home. I'm going to go through the list some more. I'm making this video for you, and then it's a long weekend, so maybe I just start the weekend earlier.
If you want to come along on the ride as we complete this project, click the subscribe button. If you want YouTube to tell you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Thanks for watching, and your support is very much appreciated.